Hey everyone, Gil here at Camp Patton Family Compound. Well, the wind's blowing really good outside, and I just started up a fire. Usually, when the wind's blowing hard, fire doesn't take, and it blows smoke back in everywhere. But this is taking off really quick, and there's no smoke coming in. And actually it's drawn pretty hard because of that new cap. So we got a good draw on the stovepipe coming up. So it's drawing everything up and out, and it's actually fanning the flame pretty good. So this looks like this is that new weather cap I put up on top there is working really good. So the fire's growing and it's getting better. So yeah, I'd say this one is working really good for eliminating the smoke coming into the house problem. So, all right. So I'm gonna go a little bit. I'm gonna go outside and take some video of what this looks like outside. So, but this is doing good here, no smoke coming in at all, and I can hear the wind blowing out there. I'm not sure if it's coming over if the camera's picking it up, but I can hear it. So, alrighty, I'm gonna go check outside, see what it looks like here in a minute. Actually, before I head outside, I think the trees are going. Every now and then, the trees blow really hard there, but they're moving around. You see them as they whip. All of a sudden, there's the gust of wind hit it. But yeah, all right, I'll go out front here in a minute. All right, there's the weather cap. You can see it wiggling in the breeze. I waited till it calmed down a bit because it was really blowing hard out here before. But the fin on it keeps it the low point into the wind, so it doesn't blow down into the vent pipe. And the backside has that open cup, so it actually creates a vacuum there, so it sucks out of the vent pipe. It keeps a good draw on the wood burning stove. So that's what's going on right now. The wind is still blowing pretty good, considering what's going on. You can see the plants over there blowing in the breeze, but yeah, and steam coming off the mashed potato plant is blowing away pretty good, dissipating. So, anyways, it's been working real good so far today, and haven't had any smoke at all blowing into the house from all the high winds we've been having. So as always, stay happy, stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.